Hello YouTube, welcome back. Today we are checking out a beautiful gem in BC. We are going for a dip. It's so hot out today. It's about 27 degrees today in the lower mainland. Super beautiful day today. No clouds in the skies. A bit misty from all the fires up north, but other than that it's pretty good. I'll be taking out the GoPro and we will be doing some water activities. And we did order pizza from a very delicious place called Sprouted Oven in Abbotsford. Really good place to go to. If you guys want to take a look at that place, I definitely recommend it. I'll be doing a little bit of cinematic shoots, so I'll see you then. So here we are in beautiful British Columbia. I am a gatekeeper. This is a very beautiful gem I am about to show you guys. Super nice. It's got a little stream. It's got 3-4 swimming holes and just such a beautiful, it's definitely a spot that all the locals go to and just hang out and just chill and have barbecue. It's pretty rocky, but other than that, the water's so clear that it's just such an amazing place to visit. So I can't wait to get in the water. I'm going to jump in the water with my GoPro. So we are finished here. It is deeper than it looks. You could swim. There is a sandbar in the middle and there is a little bit of cliff jumping at the end there. At the end you can see over there, and there is a stream where you could take a floaty down, which is pretty cool. But for next time I will definitely be looking for more swim spots.